How old were you?
When I played in the video?
Yeah.
I was 8.
What?
This man might not look familiar at first, but just watch until he reveals who he really is and the video he was actually in.
What's your name?
Brett.
Do we also know your face or is...
But you definitely know my face. The meme came out in 2016, but the video was shot in 1989.
Oh!
Wow, crazy. So I didn't look like this.
Everyone kept asking questions and guessing which iconic meme he came from, but what happens next is completely unexpected and leaves everyone speechless.
I'm trying to figure out who you are.
Good luck.
It's like the kazoo guy, for example. No.
Oh my god, are you the kazoo guy?
Yeah.
Oh my god!